Guys, Griffin here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing. Now, this is quite a special unboxing. I've been wanting this model for 4 years, ever since I started YouTube, July 23rd, 2016. I'll never forget the day. I've been wanting this forever, and I finally have my hands on one. Sorry, I keep beating the box, but yeah. Let's unbox this thing. Yeah, so it's a good box. Free listening of millions of songs, says Amazon. Hang on just a sec. Here we go. Oh man, here's the model. I got it. Yeah, it is the Tang Dynasty. It's a Tang Dynasty plane. Can you guess what plane it is yet? Hint, I've been talking about it in the description for months now. Hang on just a second. I'll just see if I can unbox it one hand. Can you tell what it is yet? Alright. It is, alright. Alright, so, yeah, this is a very, very, very nice model. Oh, it has no landing gear. Oh, but yeah, that's, this is, oh gosh, yeah, it is the British Airways 747 in the OneWorld livery. Now, I'm gonna review this right now, put all this to the side, and we're gonna, yeah, just do an in-depth review of it. It's dirty already. So much for having a nice, brand new, clean model. Oh, never mind. Now, wait a minute, they promised landing gear on this. It has none. But yeah, so starting off, we have the cockpit, that top signature 747 hump. We have the OneWorld colors and the British Airways logo. What happened to this? Yeah, so moving on, we have engines 1 and 2, the OneWorld other logo. Yeah, we have door number L2, L3, L4, L5, and that signature beautiful British Airways tail. Yeah, I'm still pooped that they didn't give me a landing gear on this thing. But yeah, this is British Airways, of course, so it'll go great for London Heathrow. But yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.